On how you set these sprinklers up, how do you install them, as far as setting the left edge, the fixed edge. Now, a little trick that I do before I screw them in to the ground, first you want to turn the rotor all the way to the right. Hear it click till it stops, okay? And then turn it to the left till it stops. Clicks. So you're set, your fixed left edge is right here, right now. And when I turned it to the right, it was about 90 degrees. So what we have here is a 90-degree pattern. Perfect. Otherwise, if you want it to be 180 degrees or more, you're just gonna adjust this with a flathead screwdriver to the plus side. So we have this left fixed edge here, and this is very important. So you want this pointing to where you want that to start, like so. And say, for instance, that you are installing this right now, you just want to go ahead and then as soon as you start screwing it down until it tightens up, give it like one more little turn till it feels pretty snug, and it will pretty much be close to the fixed left edge. Otherwise, if you're out in the field and your sprinklers are on and you need to adjust it, you can get some channel locks, and if you need it to go a little bit more to the left or a little bit more to the right, as far as the fixed edge is concerned, you would just go ahead and rotate the entire sprinkler head just a little bit if you need to. So I just have one of these vice grip tools, and then if I need to adjust the fixed edge a little bit, you just can turn it ever so slightly as far as adjusting the left line here, where it starts, like 0 degrees, and then this goes to about 90 degrees. So that's basically how I adjust these rotors. If I need this to turn more to the left over in this corner, I'm just gonna grab this by the base, and you can turn it a little bit when you need to. This one looks like it's pretty good. And then if you need to adjust the plus side here, you're just gonna get your flathead and then turn it to the right to increase the angle. I'm getting wet here. Or decrease it, turn it to the left. This guy's shooting a little too far for me. Gonna knock this down. Get some good head coverage here. And this side looks pretty good. I can increase it a little bit.